Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am back again with a new tutorial. So as you can see, today's look is a more like festival, colourful kind of style. Halo eye, spotlight eye, whatever you want to call it, I never know. Ideal for the festival season, if you have any parties or if you just want to be glam 24/7, that's totally fine too. If you'd like to know how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy, please let me know down below. I always love reading your comments, they mean loads to me. Please give the video a like also, and please do subscribe because, you know, you get told when I upload, and yeah, we're all happy around here. Obviously, I hope you enjoyed enough to subscribe, you know, that would be great. And yeah, without further ado, we will get straight into the video. I will not bore you any longer. Let's go. Right, so to begin this tutorial, I'm just going to take the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and for the first colour I'm going to just go into this like royal blue shade and just start blending that through the crease. Actually, I'm not blending it at all, I'm just going to like pack it on like so.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves you fall.
And then I'm just going to go into like a combo of these three bottom shades. I don't know if that's these three bottom shades here, the greens, the blues and the like turquoisey ones, and I'm just going to use them to like blend this out. So I want it to be like more like a mermaidy greeny kind of bluey shade. Like I don't want it to be like proper blue, so that is what I'm gonna use to blend. If I can find the brush. Right, here we go.
Drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be.
I'm then going to go into the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and I'm going to take this dark blue right here, and I'm just going to use that to like deepen up the blue on this look, just because I do want it to be a little bit darker, not too crazy bright, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm not going to take the colour too high up. And then I'm just going to go into the black in the palette, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up some more, just because, you know, just adding some definition and all that jazz. And throughout this look, I still go in with all the shades that I've used before, just to make sure it's blended and like all them colours are still poking through. And then I'm going to take the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer, and this is what I'm going to use to cut out my spotlight cut crease.
So close to the edge of something so worth it. You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be.
Okay, so now that's all cut, I'm going to go into the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that green shade, which is called Marley. And on a wet brush, I am just going to pack that in the centre part of that halo eye. And I'm just going to take that on a wet brush and just pack that on the centre part of that eye. And then I'm going to go into that bright blue shade, which is called Dalia. And I'm just going to use that to sort of blend the green into the blue. And then I'm going to go back into the Makeup Revolution palette and take that blue that we went in with and just blend that into the shimmery blue. Oh my god, I have blue all over my face. Don't do your foundation before you do this look. And you can just leave it here if you want, but I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter into the centre part of my lid, and I'm going to use the loose eyeshadow by Peaches and Cream in the shade Prin. And then I'm going to take the Soap & Glory Supercat liquid eyeliner and just draw myself a wing. And then for my lashes, I'm going to take the Olivia Belle lashes in the style Belle. Yeah, and I'm just going to glue these lashes onto my eyelids. And while they are drying, or the glue on them are drying, I'm just going to go into that BH Cosmetics palette and take the white shade. And I am just going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. It's like the perfect white to like erase mistakes and stuff as well, like. And then I'm just going to go into the what you called the KIKO Smart Colour Pencil. This is in the shade 07. It's like a purple shade, and I'm just gonna apply this. Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drift into places. And then going back into the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm just gonna take this dark purple right here and just start pressing that really close to the lower lash line. And then using a fluffier brush, I'm going to take this purple shade and this next purple shade, and I'm going to use them to just buff out and smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, so that is the eyes done. I'm just going to do my face off camera because I think it really like finishes the look off, and I will be back to show you my slow-mos. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please do let me know down below what you thought about it, and do like and subscribe as well. I appreciate it very much. I always say this, but I do really appreciate it. And yeah, so thank you once again for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.